Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus device. So first, let's just open the Play Store because we should get the Ampere app application from the Play Store. That's why here in the search bar enter Ampere. Be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or another mobile data. Then just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click yes to agree, click close, tap on the left down corner to OK. And now we can see here the information about our device battery temperature, and that's 29 degrees in my case. Also, we can find here more info like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, Android version, model of our device, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.